So g'day people, how you going? Have you seen a bush pig lately? Yes, I'll get into the context that we use in Australia for bush pig. So hello people, this is Glenn and I'm here to teach you about Australian English and the unique words that we use in Australia. Now this term bush pig is what we apply to people who are very unattractive. So as some people are on a scale from 1 to 10, me, I have no idea, I'm not going to rank myself, you can rank me. But generally a bush pig is someone who is under the scale of 3. So 10 is very attractive, 1 is very, very unattractive, and a bush pig will be between 1 and 3. The more you go to 1, the more of a bush pig someone becomes. But do not use this for anyone in Australia. It's actually not a nice term. How would you like it if I called you a bush pig? Would you like it? Probably not. Unless you can joke around and take the piss. Oh, another video. Take the piss. That means to have a joke. So a bush pig is someone who's very unattractive, not someone you would likely to want to go out with, or maybe not even socialize with, and definitely not have a sexual interaction with, because no bag is going to actually cover that up. But don't blame the person. It's not their fault. You cannot be blamed for your genetics. I would not recommend picking on a bush pig. I would not even recommend you call them a bush pig. So, to use this word in the context, just say you see a person over there, over that way, yeah. You're looking at that way, you go, and you turn to your friend and say, mate, is it a bush pig over there or what? And he was going, yeah, that's a bush pig. I thought I was hunting one of those the other day. Oh gee, man. Damn. So that is the word bush pig. When you come to Australia, don't use it. If you heard it being used with someone else, depending on context, maybe you get involved, maybe not. Have a bonza day, mate. Hooroo.